Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will start teaching everything you need to learn about Python. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to be ready for Python and how to set up the working area in order to start writing Python code or program. So what we are going to discuss is what Python is and what we can do with it, and how to set up the working space, which is the development environment. And finally, I will tell you that what we will learn in this continuous tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get full tutorial of Python continuously, and like and share this video to your friends so that they can follow us. This channel is for you. Don't forget to support us. So let's get started. Let's start by defining what Python is. Python is a high-level programming language that is intended to solve multiple problems, and it is founded by the researcher Guido van Rossum. And Python is multi-purpose. That means it is not intended to work in a particular area. So Python can be used in web programming, desktop application development, data science, AI, and other so many fields. So by using Python, we can build everything we need because it is easy to use. In terms of popularity, it is very popular. Everyone and every company is using this programming language. And now let's set up working space, which is a development environment. That is where we are going to write a Python code or program. By opening a web browser, write Python IDLE in the search bar. But before downloading this, let me tell you what Python interpreter is. Why are we downloading this? So this Python interpreter is the interpreter which directly executes high-level language, which is a Python, without the need for first compiling those programs into machine language. So without this interpreter, we cannot execute or run a Python program. Let's continue downloading this interpreter. After writing the Python IDL in the search bar, click enter. Then this page is displayed, and click this which says download Python. You will get this page. So the current version of Python is 3.12. If you are using Mac or Linux or other operating systems, you can click here, but now it is showing me for Windows because I'm using a Windows operating system. So click here. It's being downloaded. Let's now open File Explorer, Downloads, Programs, and here it is. And I'll click it. Now, before clicking Install Now, make sure this is selected. I'll tell you why selecting this two paths is important in coming tutorial. Click Install Now. It's initializing to install. After it finishes, close it, but for now I will close because I've already installed Python 3.10 in my machine. So now your Python is set up, but this is not enough to start writing a Python program. We need a working space, which is a development environment. There are many development environments which are editors like Pycharm, VS Code, Sublime Text, etc. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use Pycharm because it's easy to set up and use. Let's set up Pycharm. Open web browser, then type Pycharm download in the search bar, then click enter. Click this first URL. You will get two choices of Pycharm. The first says for professional developers that needs a payment, and the second is community edition. This is free. But the first one consists of so many additional features that can help developers. But now we should use the community edition. So let's click here and will be downloaded. Open your Explorer and navigate to your downloading folder. Here is a file, and I'll click it to install. Click next. This is showing me because I have already installed Pycharm in my computer. Let's click next. Leave the destination folder as it is and click next. Here, make sure that this is selected. You can also select this to create desktop shortcut and then click next. Finally, click install. So I have already installed it, so let me close it. Almost done. Now let's run our PyCharm. If your PyCharm is new to your machine, it will show you a welcome screen, so don't worry to follow all the instructions, it's easy. But now it is showing me this screen because I have been working with it. So let's create a new project. In your screen also there is a new project button, so click it. It shows this screen and you can customize your project location and name of project here. Also, you should set up the interpreter here. By clicking the add interpreter, you can navigate to your interpreter and add it, then click create. It will load everything we need to start coding. So by default, Pycharm has started a new file, which is main.py file. It initialized some programs for us to get started. So let's clear all of it because we need to write our program here. And let's check if everything is working fine by writing simple code. Print hello world. In order to run this program, we click this green button. This is output. So this is called the console where our output is shown, and our PyCharm and Python are working fine. And in this editor, you can customize everything. You can minimize or maximize this by clicking here, or Alt+1. By clicking File Settings, you can customize everything like font size, font family, background, everything you need. So this is all how to set up a development environment. And now let me tell you what you will learn throughout all the continuous tutorials. So you will learn the basics first, and you will work on some simple projects to make sure you understood all the basics effectively. Then you will learn some advanced topics like GUI, which is a graphical user interface, WebSockets, and many more. And you will learn how to use NumPy for numerical computation, OpenCV, which is computer vision, and many more. So to get full tutorial of Python, you should subscribe this channel and like and share this video to your friends. So in the coming tutorial, we will start writing a Python program. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.